Hey, this is Chris from Bob Commercial. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to invest in commercial real estate. What is investing in commercial real estate? First of all, you're investing in something to earn a profit. In order to earn a profit, you need money. And in commercial real estate, you get your money from charging rent, typically on a per square foot basis. Two things. Look at how much you're paying for that square foot, which changes from area to area. Different areas have different amounts per square foot. So first, how much does this property charge per square foot? Then, how big is the property? Then you multiply the size of the building that you're renting out by the rent amount per square foot. That gives you the income on the property. The other element is the size of the land. Sometimes you'll have a small building on a big piece of land, but of course you'll be providing or assigning value to that land because of what you could potentially do on that property in the future. So that property might have a highest and best use that could result in increased income. This is a really top line overview of how to evaluate a commercial real estate property. If you want to learn more, feel free to give me a call, 416-723-6785.